Hi there, this is the SmartPLS report that we already have downloaded from SmartPLS software, and from here we used construct reliability, validity and the outer loading. These are the things that we have used already: outer loading and construct reliability and validity. Now we will see the discriminant validity. So these three things will be needed for us to measure the measurement model reliability and validity. So I'm clicking the button here. So the discriminant validity, the HTMT, the head-to-head mounted ratio, is shown here, and below that the Fornell-Larcker criterion is shown here. So I will copy this to table and present the table in our analysis. So this is the result of Fornell-Larcker criterion. Let me explain one by one. At first, in the Fornell-Larcker criterion, it is said that the square root of AVE value of one particular construct should be higher than the correlation of that construct with other construct. So say for example 0.734, this is the correlation between intention and ease of use. This is 0.734, and 0.926, it is the square root of average variance extracted, the AVE that we already have calculated. AV, square root of AV is 926 of this construct. So 926 is higher than 0.734. It means that intention to use ChatGPT, it is different from perceived ease of use. That means discriminant validity is present here, because this construct is different from this construct. Again, this construct is different from this construct enjoyment, because the square root of AV is higher than correlation with the enjoyment. Square root of AB is higher than correlation with ease of usefulness. So all the three correlation is less than the square root of AB. Again, you see the square root of AB of perceived ease of use is higher than the correlation between ease of use and intention, correlation between enjoyment and ease of use, correlation between ease of use and usefulness, this. So all the bold item are the square root of AB, and the remaining three items, these are the correlation coefficient between the construct. All the bold items are higher than the inter-construct correlation. Thereby we can certainly say that this discriminant validity is present in our study, and I have written the same thing here. What is discriminant validity? According to Fornell-Larcker, square root of AB should be higher than the correlation to achieve the adequate discriminant validity. As illustrated in table 5, all the square root of AB values in the elements in bold are higher than the inter-construct correlation coefficient, the off diagonal. This is the diagonal elements. These are the bold diagonal elements, and the yellow color elements are off diagonal elements. So diagonal elements are higher than the off diagonal elements. Now go to the HTMT, head-to-head monotoid ratio. Head-to-head monotoid ratio only measure the actual or true correlation between two constructs. So here this 0.799, it is the correlation between intention and ease of use. 0.857 is the correlation between intention and enjoyment, and these are the other correlations. So the guideline is that all the correlation should be less than 0.85, or at least 0.90 should be less than. So only one correlation that is higher than 0.90 between intention and usefulness. That means it indicates that the correlation between intention and usefulness is very high. That means maybe these two constructs are not properly distinct from each other, and which may violate the discriminant validity rules. So at that time you need to be careful about it. But this result shows that the average variance extracted is higher than the between correlation. So it is supporting, it is not supporting. So this kind of situation you may face. But according to Fornell-Larcker, our model is valid, discriminant validity is there, and I have described the head-to-head monotoid ratio here. Discriminant validity is present when HTMT value is less than 0.90. All the HTMT values except intention, perceived usefulness in the study are below, except the HTMT between this, all other HTMT is less than 0.90. Thereby you can say that discriminant validity is present in general. I think it helps you. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.